Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Hot, 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 hot unboxing coming right up. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a package from UPS. This is consolidated package from Buy and Ship. And this one consolidates, I think, three small packages. Okay, and I just like to say I was a bit saddened by this particular package. Okay, not the contents, but because of the tax involved in paying the package. Okay, so unfortunately, it is what it is. So we cannot do anything about it. And so what we have here is, let's see. No? By the way, I got some of this from Kenneth Small in the US. Okay, thank you, Sir Ken. Know that the items arrive safely and hopefully complete. Okay, so here we go. It's packed real tight, and we have here our first haul. We have commons and commons from the latest Heroclix set, Marvel Black Panther. Okay, and we see here some of the. We also have here white shirt Scott Porter. Okay, I recently sold mine to a player locally. Okay, but I had to get one back immediately, so had to order. Then we have another bunch of commons, uncommons, and I think some rares as well. I can see Ironheart there from the set. Okay, so Curse from Black Panther set, and then we have Pogs. Okay, so this one is for our X-Men collection from Deadpool Weapon X. We got this from Sir Gavin, if I'm not mistaken. Kidpool and Forearm. So we're trying to get them one by one because the price is a bit stiff for those Pogs. And then we also have, okay, we have a Black Panther Phoenix. Okay, that's why it's coming in hot. So this one, I already had this before, but had to trade my Phoenix Black Panther and Phoenix Wolverine for Hadari Yao as part of the trade. But of course, as an X-Men collector, I had to make sure that I get them back in my collection. So that's why here they are. By the way, I also have a couple of Marvel's next phase trick arrows. Okay, and the card is here. So welcome back, Phoenix Black Panther, to the collection. Take a look at that sculpt. And the last items here is also some more curse from the Black Panther set, but I can see a fiery person figure there, and that is none other than the Wolverine from Deadpool Weapon X. Okay. I mentioned having him before, but the one that I had unfortunately did not come with a character card. So I'm happy now to get him back again. Okay, and this time I can see it. The character card is here, so I can officially use him in tournaments. Okay, because before I'm unable to do so, but I've used him in a casual game, and he's really strong. He might be a candidate for Silver Age builds as well. So we have here the Wolverine and the Phoenix. Okay, always glad to see flaming birds. Okay. So thank you very much for those who I did online transactions. So, and I'm happy Wolverine is home. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye.